रेस्टोरेंट किधर है?
रेस्टोरेंट
हाँ
और इधर से 120 किलोमीटर।
Fuck man, such a thing never happened. So the polythene got stuck on the front silencer thing, got burned. I removed it, and somehow it got stuck in the rear sprocket. Thankfully, it got churned out. Taking a video for legal purposes or for entertainment purposes, I'm not sure. Huh? My friend says it's good. So I guess we've taken the bypass road. I don't know where the restaurant is, but yeah, we are in Vijayawada. Everyone's just looking at us. So many different kinds of bikes. Oh my god, what is that? Is it like the Jubilee Hills of Vijayawada or something? Lovely houses on top of the hill, on this, like on the slopes. Lovely. Cops taking pictures. Hi, friendly cops. The cops here are so friendly, dude. Like, wow. This is where you feel the fun of the group ride. Literally king of the road type feeling. We're climbing a hill. Whoa! South Indian Tunnel. Time for ref bombs. I don't know how clear the mic is capturing that, but this is next level. This is crazy. People's reactions, seeing so many super bikes of different makes and models zipping through the city on an otherwise regular Thursday morning. It's Republic Day. This is epic. Just epic. Narrow roads. Sheikh's Biryani House. Did we take the bypass road or not? I don't know. I'm just waiting for the restaurant to arrive. So finally it looks like we've exited the city. We just have to look for that hotel. What hotel is it? That also I don't know. Volvo. Such a huge Volvo showroom. रुके कहीं को चलो कहीं को बोल रहे. We crossed the Vijayawada airport like 15-20 minutes ago, and this city doesn't seem to end. Even though we're on the highway, it's so populated. I kind of feel hungry now. So the first bad stretch of road is here, or was there, I don't know. It's like 1 kilometers. Very bumpy and sad road. I think they're making it a 6-lane. Such friendly cops, man. Smiling and showing. Way हैदराबाद में ऐसा घुसना था, बाहर वाले डाल लेते. Sweet cops, dude. रेस्टोरेंट किधर है?
रेस्टोरेंट
हाँ
और इधर से 120 किलोमीटर।
प्लास्टिक चले गया भाई गाड़ी के स्प्रॉकेट में. प्लास्टिक चले गया. वो नहीं आ रही प्लास्टिक की. So stopped again for a small chai break. The restaurant is 120 kilometers ahead. I feel a little bit hungry, but what we can able to do. Local superstars बन गए चाबी घुमा के. So this here is a problem. I'll have to get it fixed once I'm in Vizag. You see that plastic there? And also it's left a bit of a mark on the front thing. God knows what we can able to do about that.
मैं आपका सब्सक्राइबर
अरे रे लवली मीटिंग यू हियर.
किधर किधर जा रहा है
मैं वाइजैक जा रहा हूँ.
मैं भी वाइजैक
अच्छा 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 ओके चलो सी यू मैन बाय बाय.
once can you on I check it
It's very silent. Currently on stock. Lovely when you meet your subscribers in other cities on highways and all. Lolly! I am literally surprised by how friendly the people are here. Till now I've had like almost 40-50 strangers on the road just waving hands at me and all. Just now the guy in a alto behind also was waving his hand, smiling. To all my subscribers here in AP, lovely man, keep up the attitude. That's the attitude you should have towards life, positive. So my friend said we have to be very careful till we approach the next toll gate, and you keep seeing these haystacks going around. God bless me. So yeah, till the next toll gate, like we are out of Vijayawada. This road is very unsafe because a lot of people are crossing, pedestrians and cars, bikes. So, and also it's very bumpy, so you gotta be careful. Damn, it looks lovely in that color. Oh, that bike has a small analog clock on its handlebar. How cool is that? No, I don't know what's with this highway. There is so much debris on the highway. Like, you know, such a thing never happened with me before. Like plastic getting stuck on the silencer and all, and now it's stuck in my wheel ka bearing. The bike is normal, but still, there's nothing I can do about it. I tried pulling it out. Anyways, and then after a while I got some twigs and all stuck on my footrest and they were scraping along, you know. Funny. You know, I think they should have a rule or something that, you know, these tractors and those big trucks carrying those haystacks and those twigs, big ass, just like we saw, they should at least cover them up with a piece of tarpaulin or something, man. And this is horrible. Imagine if it gets stuck, something hard gets stuck in your chain sprocket and you just get out of balance. Pretty dangerous. And some people just get psyched when, you know, something's flying towards them at triple digit speeds. You know, not a good thing. Again, look at all this green. Green, 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 green. Oh, some political rally, protest, what is it? Not sure. But something going on there. I love the green though. I don't know why, but somehow the road is not so good after Vijayawada. I mean, at least till now. We're almost 100 kilometers. Yeah, roughly 60-70 kilometers from Vijayawada. The road is not good. There's so many patches and bumps. I don't know why. And there seems to be a heavy wind blast. I don't know why. Side wind, which is a lot of wind turbulence. You know, Andhra Pradesh should be declared as a green state. I mean, okay, it's not exactly green, but there's so many plantations everywhere. And you have those trippy hut kind of things in between the plantations. How sweet, man. On both sides, that too. Sweet. Weird thing is, most of the AP16 cars I saw, like, on the highway till now, most of them, like 90% of them, AP16, I think that's Vijayawada, Rajahmundry, all of them have tint, like, you know, 100% black film tint on them. Weird. Isn't it banned? Good roads are back again. And there's greenery, greenery, greenery. Lovely. Oh, train! Looks like a typical Tollywood, Bollywood movie scene, you know. Green fields, train going. खाली राज और सिमरन की कमी है अम्मा. Fuck. That's where everyone is standing. But jokes apart, we have one hell of a lineup today. There's a Ducati, Triumph, Harley, Kawasaki. What else? Suzuki. 30 people. We all will meet at the resort. Dark Horse, Dark Horse, and Multistrada. That Multistrada be killing me, especially on that kind of a backdrop. Lol. Oh, beautiful bike, man. Italians sure do know how to make cars and bikes. Just look at that thing. Tiger बच्चा दिखना उसके बाजू. That too ugly. So guys, you always have to be careful on the highway because you'll always find such douchebags trying to cut in between and zip through and screw up your formation. अब रोक के मार तो नहीं सकते हर किसी को. Just have to be careful. Never get carried away. Even if they try to tease you, let them go. Yeah, उतार के मार दो, but race नको करो. That greenery. Can't get enough of greenery in this state. We're like 280 kilometers from Vizag, so I think another 2-3 hours we should be there, but we're stopping for lunch, so we don't know. Greenery. These comebacks are spoiling the mood, man. Lovely. We're riding at 90, 100, cruising along. So many people, so many super bikes, and greenery to पूछो नको. It's lovely. रहती है देख के. Love the greenery here, man. Okay, this is the last time I'm mentioning greenery unless I see something really next level crazy now. Reactions of people are priceless. Thankfully, the weather gods have been so kind to us. The weather is just amazing. Even it's like 12 o'clock in the afternoon now, but you can see it's so peaceful and calm, cloudy. And I've been riding in line with the group in the past few kilometers. मजा आ रहा है. Mercedes Squid. Mercedes. So many trees planted in the middle of the road and onto the side. Airport ki road dikh rahi Shamshabad. Lovely. I wonder how cold it must be here at night. Just look at the beauty of this. Damn, that bridge. Oh gads, we have police. Andhra Pradesh police. No police. Chill scene. This time I sped away. I had to take a U-turn and come back to the Raman Sham Dhaba. That's the name of the dhaba we're going to be eating at. So here is the Rajan Taj. Kya naam tha? Sam Dhaba. Over ho gaya hai to. Four-star scenes. Oh gads. What is this?
So we just reached the dhaba where we'll be eating. It's called Raman Shyam Dhaba. I don't know if my voice is clear. See, there's a lot of crowd here, all because of the bikes. Taking the bikes inside to avoid trouble. So let's just go inside. Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Everyone's so happy here, so let's go and grab some lunch. I'm hungry as fuck. Charan bhai always looks like a model. I don't know how he manages to do that even after riding for such a long distance. We're gonna go upstairs, grab something to eat. We are all hungry and tired. So the bikes have been parked inside to avoid unwanted attention. So this is the upper floor of the dhaba where we'll be eating something. We'll be having a heavy meal and then proceeding. We're just 200 kilometers from Vizag, 200 odd kilometers. And I look very tired and very, very hungry. So I'm gonna go grab something to eat.
So we're just done with our lunch, pot biryani and few other things. Damn, I feel so full. Most importantly, we all had biryani, fish and all that, so I think we're gonna be feeling a lot more sleepier. Everyone's refueling. I still have a lot of fuel. I'll fuel up a bit later. बहुत डाल दे रही इंट्रोडर. Our group is in form. 2 people still have to come. They're on the way, filling up. And we made a move. I think that's a banana plantation, if I'm not wrong. Beautiful. There is a... Wow! Another bridge. Imagine taking a jeep or some off-road bike down there and filming it with a drone. Lovely, man. But it's sad how it's all dried up. And there's some people camping over there also. Lol, thug life. I think Sand Mafia ki to yashi hongi full. So we are 250 odd kilometers from Vizag. But biryani kha liya, so these are going to be the longest 250 kilometers of our life.
6 million ways to die. Choose one.
It's time to escape, but I don't know where the fuck I'm headed. Up or down, right or left, life or death.
For the first time since the ride started, almost every single bike is in a straight formation, like one behind the other. And no one's crossing 80, 90, max 100. The biryani effect. Pot biryani. Okay, pot biryani doesn't mean that it's pot infused biryani. No, it is biryani basically cooked and served in a matka, mitti ka. Lol. Wow, there's a lagoon kind of thing. I don't know, it's called a lagoon or a river kind of thing to the left. Imagine going in that, how boats are like bridges and all over there, foot-over bridges. It's like a tiny river. I can't get a good view from anywhere, but yeah, there's a river adjacent to the road since the past 1 kilometer. Lovely. Andhra is so beautiful. That house is goals. That right there. Can't tell you how sleepy I feel. I'm pretty sure it's not just me who's sleepy. Almost everyone is sleepy. It's the reason we are going slow and steady. So we just entered Rajamundry territory. Lovely roads, but the problem is villagers and scumbags like these try to cut you off and cross the road in front of you. Thoda bach ke raho. What the fuck? I actually saw a board which said Mallepalli. So basically we are in Mallepalli.
So again we stopped for a small fuel break. Most of the bikes are here because we're all lazy. We're just 160 kilometers from Vizag.
Whoa. There's some huge building here. Goes by the name CPF. Crazy part about this place is that there's so many factories I see around. But still there is so much greenery that so it's like well balanced, Probably, I don't know why these mountains and all get me so excited. I mean, it's such a beautiful road. It's beautiful. Battery had died, so I stopped and switched the battery. I guess my team members have gone ahead. Hey, there is one more statue there. So I don't know whose statue it is, but it's facing that side. Anyhow, danger zone, 200-meter accident place. You gotta be careful on these roads, that I must say. I myself had 2 or 3 bad experience. What the hell, man? No wonder accident prone area है. तेलंगाना का स्टेट कलर पिंक है वैसा. यहाँ का ग्रीन रहना. मल्टी की स्ट्राटा. If I were to keep shooting, I'd keep shooting all the time because I can't describe how beautiful the highway is, and I keep saying that again and again. Not enhances the views, all these bikes all together on the road like never before. Unlike you've seen on any other channel before. Multistrada passing in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I told you about the sweet people. Everyone's so sweet. That formation though, straight line, somewhere up ahead. मजा आ रहा है, मजा आ रहा है, मजा आ रहा है. Funny thing about Vizag is that there are tons of cops everywhere today, but they're not even stopping us. Instead of stopping us, they're just smiling, clicking pictures, taking videos. That's something new. If only every cop was as cooperative as the Vizag cops. And that's one hell of a petrol pump. क्या ग्रीनरी है भाई, क्या पहाड़ है भाई. Lovely. We're almost in Vizag, and seriously man, amazing people. Every kid, every person, I mean, इतनी देर से they were just waving, they're just looking at us, waving, smiling. Sweet. I think we are at the Yankapalli junction. From here I take a diversion, these guys take a diversion. I have proceeded on to their resort, which is in Vijayanagaram, and I'll be staying back in Vizag because I have different plans. They'll be here for 3 days, but I probably will be heading to Araku, and then on the way back Papikondlu and all. I have a couple of plans and I want to go around Vizag as well, so I think I'll be catching up with them a little later. As of now, another friend is waiting for me at some Yankapalli flyover junction, so I have to meet him up there and proceed to my hotel. Hey bro, how are you? How far are we from the city?
It will be around 35 to 40.
35 to 40. Okay, we'll stop at some dhaba.
Yeah.
And I saw Domino's pizza and a trippy cycle beside me, so I'm gonna eat Domino's pizza. Fuck.
So I just finished pizza. That's my friend right there. He came to receive me all the way 35 kilometers outside the city. So now I'll be going to my hotel, which is at Gandasala Road, and as you can see my face, I'm tired. I'm probably just gonna go freshen up, chill with these guys for a while and then go to sleep, and we'll see what we can do tomorrow. There are lots of places to visit here in Vizag, I believe. Not bike related though, but yes, a lot more interesting stuff.
So I guess we're just gonna reach my hotel in a while, and I'll probably take a shower and sleep. Wow, pretty smooth roads, man. I don't know how they are inside the city. I need to go out exploring the city tomorrow. So I guess that's about it for the Hyderabad to Vizag vlog. Bye bye.